Hello children. Today we are going to understand word problems. How to understand the word problems in addition. Now look here. Here we have Soham and Sania here. Soham and Sania have come again to meet you. Now look what they have brought. See, Soham has brought four pens. He brought four pens for himself. Soham brought four pens. Can you see? One, two, three, and four. Four pens. Soham bought four pens for himself. And Sania went to the shop and she got three pens for herself. She brought three pens for herself. So now what we have to do is we have to find out how many pens did they bring all together. How many pens did they bring all together? See, Soham brought four pens. So we need to remember the number 4. 4 keep in your head. Sania brought 3 pens. So 3 we will keep on our fingers. Okay, 3 fingers. Can you see 3 fingers? Yes. Now what is the first number in your head which Soham brought? It is 4. So 4 and Sania brought 3. So 4, count ahead of 4. 5, 6 and 7. So 4 and 3 is giving us 7. See here, 4 and 3 is giving us 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. We will count them all together. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is an example of word problems. Now I will give you one more example. Okay. Now here mother gave Soham and Sania, she gave both of them 5 pens each. How many? 5 pens each. She gave Sania, she gave 5 pens. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So mother gave Sania 5 pens. How many pens? 5 pens. So your first number is 5, which you will keep in your head. Now mother gave 5 pens to Soham. She gave Soham also 5 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So she gave Soham also 5 pens. She gave Sania, mother gave 5 pens to Sania and 5 pens to Soham. Now how many pens are there in all? In all, how many pens? So what we are going to do is the first number 5 we will keep in our head, which is Sania's, and Soham's 5 numbers we will count on our fingers. Okay, we will take 5 fingers for Soham. For Sania we have 5 in our head. Now what we have in the head we will count ahead of that. So 5, next is 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 5 and 5 has given us 10. 5 and 5 makes 10. Let us see here the pens all together, okay, with Soham and Sania had. So these are Sania's pens. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now these are Soham's pens, which I will count ahead of 5. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 5 and 5 all together we have 10 pens. We have put them together and all together we have got 10 pens. So children, this is how we must try to read understand the sentence and try to follow the instructions which are given. So this is what we do when we are performing mental addition. So your concentration is very essential. You have to pay attention to what your teacher is telling you, what are the numbers she is telling you, what is the operation that she is asking you to perform. Now the operation here is addition plus, which tells us to combine everything together, which tells us to count everything together, which tells us to find the sum of the numbers, which tells us to add them, which tells us to collect them all together and find the answer.